Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing and it's this little baby. Yeah, it's a little cable. It's a 2 metre long cable and it's called a Lightning HDTV cable, and it's a plug and play and it's video and charge. So basically what it does, you can plug in your iPhone or your iPad. There's your HDMI connection, so you plug that into your TV. You plug the little one into your phone or your iPad, and if you've got a charger nearby, you can plug in your charger. So while you're using it, it will charge up your phone as well. And what it basically does, it allows you to use your phone or your iPad to look at it on the big screen. So if you've got a big TV and you want to see it on a big screen, you can plug this in and it will show your phone on the big screen. So for instance, if you want to play games, you'll be able to see the game on the big screen rather than just on the little screen. And the same with movies. So if you want to watch a movie, providing it's not something like Netflix or Amazon videos, because they use encrypted software, it should work fine. Encrypted software will not work on this, so I believe. I could be wrong, but that's what it's telling me. I've checked it on the website, on the Amazon website, and that's what it's saying on there. So you must understand that it will not work. But if it's encrypted video, it should work fine, and you'll see it on your big screen. You can also plug it into a projector. So if you've got a nice big projector screen, and you can plug it in there. But it'll only go up to 1080p. It won't go 4K or anything like that. It's not designed for that. It's only about £13 or just under 13 English pounds. And I'll stick some links in the bottom of the description in case you decide you want to buy one. But with that, shall we get on with the unboxing? Right, can you see that okay? Right, let's get on with this unboxing then. A little bit of shrink wrap around it. It's quite nicely packed, I think. Move that out of the way. So I'll give you another quick look around, like I always do. On the side. So if you want to read it, obviously just pause it. And let's see what's in the box. Right, there was a little thing I said. What's this? I don't know what that actually does. So. Not a lot, probably. Just a little pattern they've made. It's very nice. Open. Yeah, it says open. I knew it said open somewhere. So, we'll open it there, shall we? Right, let's see what you get. So that's it in the box. So we got a little instruction. BOJECHER, powered by EZ cast wire. Okay. So we'll have a look at the cable first. That's an unusual material. Move that out of the way. So there you go. So here's your HDMI lead. It's quite a big chunk actually. So it's 2 meters long. And then you've got USB connection for your charger. And then you've got your phone connection. That's it. So nice bit of beading. Feels good quality. Doesn't feel cheap. And see what it says in the instructions. So support services, so I've got an email support services, a web address, a quick start guide, so that's handy, an introduction, and it also tells you not compatibility, which like I told you earlier, it's very important that you read it and make sure it's compatible, because I don't want people wasting their money. Compatible Apple devices, so you've got iPhone X, 8 Plus, 7 Plus, blah blah blah, that I'll show you, as you can see. What else? Oh, and there you go, look, hardware installation, so it's quite easy to do. Please follow below steps to set up BOJECHER wire. Step 1, plug dongle in HD port of your TV monitor, whatever it is. So quite easy to follow, and then you just place a projector, please refer to picture or picture blah blah blah, and it's just showing some pictures. So it looks quite easy. So we'll get a phone and we'll give it a little test, shall we? So are we ready then? So what you need to do is obviously you need to plug in your HDMI connection, which is down now. You need a USB power source, which we have here. Give it a couple of seconds to boot up. Hopefully it'll all come on. This is mirror screen, so you get mirror screen. So basically it's going to mirror it. I'm not sure this phone is actually compatible with it or not, but we'll soon find out, see if it works, shall we? So then once you get that up, give it a few seconds to settle down. Yeah, plug it in, like so, and it will come up with a message for you to trust it or not, so just say yes, you trust it. Give it a few seconds again, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it should switch over. Come on, so why aren't you working? Does it matter which way around this goes? I wouldn't have thought so. Oh, it goes, it vibrated. It should work now. Didn't vibrate last time, so probably didn't have press trust. So probably didn't have the button pressed in properly. So here we go. I've done trust. Come on, do something. Oh, here we go. So it takes a few seconds, as you can see. It's not the fastest thing in the world, is it? Oh, there it is. Now, will that turn? I don't think you can turn. So there's all your apps. So you can see, look, as it is. A ghost image, basically. Now, I'm not sure because I don't think this is the right phone. Oh, got more vibration. I must have moved it. Try it again. I think the lead might have come out. Plug it back in. It's vibrating. It's flicking over. It is a bit slow, but it does work. So let's try camera. Let's see if it does it. Oh, there you go. So yeah. Oh, it's quite a good picture actually. It doesn't seem to be a lot of lag. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we know that bit works. Let's see if YouTube works, because I did try it earlier, I couldn't get YouTube to work, so got one of my... Oh, there you go. Press play. Let's do full screen, see what happens. Yes, she works. I've turned the sound off, by the way, just to see if it works. So that's one of my videos, of course. So, you know, if you want to watch one of my videos. It is a bit hit or miss. It is a bit, connection's a bit messy. But you know, once you connected it in properly, it on this phone it vibrated to let me know it's plugged in properly. And I'll give it up to about 20 seconds. If it doesn't do anything within 20 seconds, I'd unplug it and plug it back in again. But yeah, as you can see, it definitely does work. So I'll come out there again. I'm not going to try everything, but I'll go back to the camera again because I thought that was pretty cool. Reverse. Where's reverse? Oh, there it is. So, oh, look, there's a picture of me. There's a picture of my camera. See that? Oh, I think I need to shave. Get out. So that's it. So this is so Lightning HDTV cable from BOJECHER or something like that. I think that's how you pronounce it. Like I say, I'll stick a link in the bottom for you in case you decide you want to buy one and use this device, which I think is pretty cool. Quite impressed. Yeah, it looks really good. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Ta-da!